Hi, Shannon Coward here with Tameron Hyundai. I've been speaking with Clarice on the phone regarding the 2015 Sonata. I wanted to kind of personalize a video and tell you briefly, I have that exact car that she's looking for, and the technology and the safety features in this thing are unbelievable. It's got a rear cross traffic, it's got your the blind side sensors, amongst many other features that we can go through in the car. I would like for you to come down, view the car, let me personally walk you through it and tell you the advantages of going with the 2015 Sonata Limited. My name is Shannon Coward. I'm the Internet Manager here at Tameron Hyundai. My personal cell phone is 205-907-4700. Or if you have questions, page me out at the dealership, 205-380-6250. Also, I want to let you know something real quick. Because you're an SEC coach, we do have honor a discount for that, and we did get it included with the pricing that Richard gave Clarice. I look forward to hearing from you and meeting you very soon. Thank you.